Hello, how's everybody doing? It's Gaba Devil 12 here. I got a box in the mail today. I'm very impressed. I wasn't expecting this much. Um, this box is from Mr. Davo Wheels. Dave, he hooked me up big time. What you see here on my table is homies. I know it's a few different series on this, and he sent, I didn't count this, but it's over 50, maybe almost 100, and every single one, they're pretty cool. This is my favorite right here, the speed bulls. I have a couple of those, but I don't have any of these, which I love it. I know Joseph HWC, he like this kind of stuff too. Over here we have a couple of his customs. Well, this the one on the right is one of his customs. I know because I've seen this on one of his videos, and it's awesome. He was trying this fading, and pretty good job. This is like a dream come true because I was planning eventually to start buying this series, which is so many. I even look at the flea market, they have a few of them, but not this many. And this is great. I'm gonna kind of go slow so you guys can take a look on this. This is cool. There's a few on a different scale. I don't know you any of you guys are into this kind of stuff. I am, and I love all of this. He sent me enough homies to make a couple of dioramas. So, and you can use this to take pictures with your Hot Wheels, like low riders and stuff. You know, like Purple Passions, things like that. Look at this boxer, pretty neat. and on top of all of this, thank you very much, Dave. You didn't have to do all of this. He sent me this right here. We trade for this. Awesome. Corvette Super. This is Hot Wheels Demons. 65 Dodge Coronet AWB stack deck. Awesome tires, as you can see. Says Goodyear. Awesome casting. And this is what I really wanted. Thank you very much for doing it. Davo Custom. How about this? Like really nice. I don't think I have anybody else customs. If I do, I don't remember, but I definitely wanted to have one of these. Now I have a couple. This is pretty nice. Look at this paint job. Those rims, nice. Really nice. Let me show you these right here. And one more time, thank you very much, Davo. Might be sending something back in return because this is way too much and I love it. Thank you again. Thank you everybody for watching, and if you guys haven't subscribed to Mr. Davo Wheels channel, please do. I know you will like. I know you guys gonna like it. Many of us we know him already. He's a pretty cool guy. And he's also on Instagram, same username, Mr. Davo Wheels. Really good customizer and better friend. Thank you very much. Again, you didn't have to do all of this, but I do appreciate it. Thank you very much again, and see you on the next one, guys. Bye.